Hey guys, welcome back to kiarabharris. I hope everybody's having a blessed day today. So today I wanted to come to give you guys this quick lock video. I'm actually about to get ready to combine one of my locks. One of my locks is super thin on the side, and I already know in the future it's possibly gonna break off. So I want to go ahead and save it now before we get to that point. And I wanted to catch it on camera just in case somebody was going through it too. But like I said, I want to save this lock. So I'm gonna go ahead and combine it now. So this is the lock that I'm going to combine, y'all. Let me see. Like, it is super thin. Do y'all see how thin it is? And y'all see how thin it is right here? So I want to go ahead and combine it just in case you know, it breaks or anything in the future. And I'm just going to combine it with the one that's next to it right here. And this lock is about the size of the rest of my locks. Y'all, excuse me if y'all see this dirt in my hair. This is actually dandruff. I kind of been scratching it up because I'm actually about to get ready to wash my hair. So that's why I want to go ahead and combine the lock. So if y'all see this dirt in my hair, I'm actually about to get ready to wash it. So that's why it looks like that. But like I said, I'm going to combine this lock. Y'all see the difference? Huge difference. So I'm gonna go ahead and combine it with this one. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this lock and pull it through the root of the stronger lock like that before I start to combine. And what I'm going to be combining with is this little small crochet needle. This is a 0.75, and I actually got this from Hobby Lobby in the section where they have all the crochet things. And I actually have a double head with like a wood handle. I've used both, but I like this better. I like this one better than the one with the wood on there. And the one with the wood I got from Etsy, but this one I got from Hobby Lobby in the crochet section. So as you guys can see, that the lock is through the root. I hope I'm showing y'all, but you can see that it's in there pretty good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to actually start right here. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of just going in and out like this. So as you guys can see, that is already, it's starting, like I crocheted the root together. So this is what's left, and I like to do it that way. You can also try to like comb out some of your lock and then do it that way, but this lock is like super small, so if I try to comb it out, it probably would have broken off. So I'm just going to show you guys the process. Yeah, so now I'm just going to go up in it since I already attached this part. Another way people like to connect their locks is they like to kind of just twist it around, but I have seen that method oftentimes causes dragons, and a dragon is where it's connected kind of at the root area. One second, y'all. So what I'm doing is just taking the rest and twisting it around. Twisting it around super tight, and then I'm going to start crocheting at the bottom to connect it. So it's connected at the root and it's going to be connected at the bottom. What I found that just twisting it around and not putting it together at the root, that you end up with dragons. So that's where, like I said, it's connected right here and then it's split into two. And yeah, I don't want dragons. So what I'm doing right now is I twisted it, I connected it here, I twisted it down, and now I'm just going in at the bottom and connecting it so it'll be together. And then I'm just gonna go through and kind of connect it also. I'm sorry if my hand is in the way, but I'm gonna try to show you guys the best way I can. And y'all, this is a good way to if like, well, this is what people do now for